Do you want to sound more natural when speaking English? Whether you're learning for travel, work, or just for fun, using the right phrases can make a huge difference. Today, I've got 10 must-know phrases that will help you speak more like a native. These are expressions English speakers use every single day. Let's jump right in and learn them together. Number 1. What's up? This is a super casual way to say hello. It means, how are you, or what's going on? You'll hear it all the time in movies and on the street. You can reply with, not much, just chilling, or even, what's up back? It's a great way to start a friendly chat. Number 2. I'm just looking, thanks. This is perfect when you're shopping and don't want help right away. It's polite, clear, and helps you avoid pressure while browsing. Store staff will appreciate your courtesy. Number 3. Could you repeat that, please? This is a lifesaver when you didn't catch what someone said. It shows you're paying attention and want to understand. Don't be shy. Native speakers use this too. Always better to ask than to guess. It keeps the conversation flowing smoothly. Number 4. I'm not sure. This is a gentle way to say you don't know something. We all forget things sometimes, and this phrase keeps things honest without sounding negative. It's respectful and shows you're thinking carefully before answering. Number 5. That sounds great. Use this when someone suggests something fun or interesting. It's a positive, enthusiastic response that shows you're open and friendly. You can also say sounds good or I'd love that to mix it up. Number 6. Sorry, I didn't catch that. This is another way to say you didn't hear someone clearly. It's especially useful in noisy places or when someone speaks too fast. It keeps the conversation polite and shows you care about understanding. Number 7. Nice to meet you. A classic phrase for first-time meetings. It's short, sweet, and makes a great first impression. You can also say, pleased to meet you or great to meet you for variety. Number 8. How much does it cost? This is essential when shopping or traveling. It helps you avoid confusion and makes transactions smoother. Number 9. Can you help me? A powerful phrase when you're in a tough spot. Whether you're lost, confused, or just need assistance, this phrase opens doors. Most people are happy to help if you ask kindly. And number 10. Have a good one. A casual way to say goodbye or wish someone well. It's friendly, relaxed, and works in almost any situation. You can use it with friends, co-workers, or even strangers. Now, here's a quick tip. Don't just read or listen to these phrases. Say them out loud, repeat them until they feel natural. Practice with a mirror, a friend, or even record yourself and listen back. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. It's all about building that muscle memory. So which of these phrases did you already know? And which ones are new to you? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English tips and lessons. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.